everybody. Good morning, Jimmy. How are you?
I'm excellent. I went on vacation and I came back and I got a sore throat and I had to stay out home for 3 more days.
Oh my gosh.
So 10-day vacation instead of 7, but now I'm back.
And you're all rested.
Yes.
You're all rested. Okay, I'm going to make sure we can. Yeah, you can see me.
Stay out home
Eh,
10-day vacation instead of 7.
all right, we're good.
Okay.
So, interesting. I have the stats on the screen here for June 1st of last year when we had 19 days of inventory.
Right.
And of course, now we have 39 days of inventory. So that's the good news. And, last year we were selling 133 homes a day. We were dropped down to 109 so far this month. Now, last month we were selling 125. So I guess year to date we've been selling 125. So we'll see how that all plays out.
Well, we knew it was going to slow down some.
Of course, yeah. Of course, and because I think what people need to realize, the slowdown, a lot of it is because last year we had the backlog of the pandemic buyers, still in the market. So that, it's hard to compare last year. We should probably compare 2020 or maybe 2019 of June. But I don't think the market's bad. Market's good. What's your take?
Well, we're averaging 125 sales a day. There's still people out there buying houses.
Yes.
You just got to match up the buyers and sellers. It's the same strategies before. You might do a few more calls, a few more touches, but there's people out there that are buying and selling houses. So you just got to keep working.
And the other day on my show, I talked about the mortgage rates, the ARM, which is the 5-year ARM, which is under 3%, and that's not a bad ARM.
No, that's a really interesting play that you talked about, and I need to do more work on that myself and investigating that, because if the maximum they can go up in an adjust is 1%, and you start at 3, it would take them 3 years just to get to 6, and that's after 3 years of 1 year at 3 and 1 year at 4. On the adjustables, they have different schedules and when they adjust and how much they can adjust each adjustment. So I need to find out about that.
Yeah, I agree. We should know, and the prices are going to level off, I think, but they haven't so far. This month they're still up there, 485, 500 for the average and median. So I don't see the prices changing that much.
I think the builders are going to keep raising the prices.
Well, like you always say, the cost to build a house hasn't gone down.
Right, and it's not going to.
No, it isn't. So anyway, interesting times that we're in. I talk a lot to people about not panicking, not saying there's a crash. Just learn what the statistics are and learn how to tell the story so that people don't panic. There's nothing to panic about. The interest rates went up, big deal. It's not the end of the world, and it's going to knock some people out of the market. But I also noticed that the condos have increased the number of listings. It's over 500, and we're selling more condos. So those people that can't afford a house are at least buying something.
Yeah.
Well,
so the alternative to rent is just worse. It's terrible.
Yes, it is. I think that's going to soften a little bit too, though. I see that in our property management. I think just lowered the price on 3 of our rentals.
Okay.
So like $200 a month lower.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.